Hi friends, so I got it demonetized like 2 weeks ago and I was very frustrated because every content that I post is my original content, so I was really confusing like why I got demonetized and I never used anyone's content. So I've seen a lot of content creators, they're facing the same problems that I faced about reusing content. So in this video I'm going to show you how I solved this issue within 48 hours, and I think this video is really going to help you in one way or another. If you are facing the same problems that I faced, I think this video is just for you and it can help you very much. Alright, so this is my YouTube channel that got demonetized. It has more than 600,000 subscribers, as you can see here, and this was before I appeared and this is after I solved this problem. So YouTube sent to me this email. They say that I've been using someone else's content. As you can see here, reuse the content. That is something that I really never used on this channel because I've been posting on this channel for more than 6 years and I never used anyone content. So first of all, you really don't have to panic. It's really bad thing to panic because I remember like it was yesterday, it was very hard for me to believe that I was no longer monetized. Do not panic. It's something that you can really solve within very short time. And this is what you need to do right now for your channel to get back to normal. First of all, you don't have to delete any video after receiving this email. Do not delete any video. If you really want to appeal, you don't have to delete any video. So you need to record a short video for yourself. And I'm going to show you this video, how I recorded this video and I sent to YouTube. In this video, you have to use a supported language. I used the English language because I know English. And as you can see here, you have to make sure that this video is not longer than 5 minutes. But within 30 seconds, you have to mention or you have to show your channel URL, as you can see right here. And you need to explain why your channel was demonetized and why you think it was a mistake. So within a few seconds, I'll be showing you my appeal video. But before that, I want to tell you what you need to do after recording your video and send to YouTube. So you are just going to upload this video that you are explaining how you make your videos. You have to upload this video on your channel and you have to set it as a list video. You don't have to make it private or you don't have to make it public. Then you have to share that link on the appeal section. After that, you're just going to send to YouTube and they will tell you to wait within 14 days. But for me, it just happened within 48 hours. Hey YouTube, so this is my channel and I recently received this email that my channel is no longer monetized, as you can see right here. And they said that the reason that my channel is no longer monetized, I've been using someone else's content on my channel. That means reuse the content. That is something that I really never done on this channel. So right now I'm gonna take you and I will show you my YouTube URL, as you can see right here. This is my YouTube URL, this one. But I want to take you to my dashboard and I'm going to show you all these videos that I posted on this channel. So on this channel, we are basically talking about entertainment, and I've been working on this channel for more than 6 years, me and my friends. We are 3 people. We are making videos about entertainment and we are making sure that we put our voiceovers. So if you see any video right here, all these videos that you see right now, these videos, we make sure that we never posted or uploaded any videos without putting our voiceover. So you can hear any of these videos, you can hear my voice. If you listen to any videos right now, right here, you can hear this voice that you're hearing right now. It's not always about the voiceover, but on this channel also, I post different interviews, as you can see right now. These interviews, I was lucky enough to interview different celebs in my country. So you can see all these interviews. These videos are my original content on this channel. I really never take someone's content and post on my channel. These content are my original content. As you can see right now, these videos, I got a chance to interview this person right here. As you can see, all these videos, they are my original content on this channel. And this is how I edit my videos. I go online and I take all these pictures. As you can see, all these pictures I have downloaded online, but also you can see down here there is my audio. This is my voiceover, and I usually put on every and each video that I post on YouTube, I must put a voiceover. As you can see right now, this is my voiceover, and these are all the pictures that I downloaded. Then I edited these pictures and I upload on YouTube. So this is the whole process on how I edit my videos, and I make sure that I follow all the YouTube policies before posting any content online. So I usually use this application, which is called Filmora, but also sometimes I can use KineMaster on my mobile phone if I'm away from home. So this is what I do. So I really hope that you are going to reconsider and you're just going to make my channel get back to normal again. Thank you so much, and I hope that this is well understood. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you.